Good morning guys, in front of me is iPad 13 from 2026 and let me show you how to reset network settings. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select General and go to Reset Options. It's actually Transfer or Reset iPad. Now select Reset and here you will notice a Reset Network Settings. So if you want to do it, just mark and then confirm that you really want to delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. And once it's rebooted, just unlock your device and use it smoothly. You can customize your network settings from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.